All right, it's a rainy Friday here. It may be possible history here out in the rain. See that? After work, 1 by 1, hour after work, weekdays. This is our shorts. It's all see in there. What is this? Hopefully this rain brings some more conductivity to my search. It looks like just a little piece of iron, but I'm gonna tumble that. Whoa, what are these? Are these the ones that make you feel funny? Anybody know what kind of mushrooms those are? I don't think those are portobellos. Surface. Looks like a tree marker. 11. That's okay. Another tree marker. A 30 signal. Get rid of it. Coin is ringing up a 17 on the Equinox 600. Approximately 5 inches down. Kind of smooth. It says 1 cent, so it's at least a weedy. An old knife. Lead maybe? Beeps, I don't know what it is. Might be lead. Now we got a skeleton in the tree. Another embossed bottle. Bowler. Quality beverages. Cool. Here's rang up at 13. That is. Is it a rivet? Fork. I wonder if the British use this here. Really cool. I'm discriminating everything. I don't know what that is. Could be something cool. Might have to 29. It's probably another one of those tree things, right? Did I call it? I called it. Here's another one. And a big piece of poopy. Real quick. I gotta tumble that. 3 pounds of garbage within the last 2 days that we recycled. That ornate fork. This may be a knife. 3 tag markers for trees that were on the floor. This may, I see writing on here, so it might not be a rivet. I don't know what that is. This is an old British area. And then we have this Bowler Quality Beverage Company, which ran from the 1800s. Not very old, but still cool. Great condition. We got 1 weedy. Cool, right? Really quick hunt in the rain. When I was walking, I heard dun 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 dun. I was like, I watched way too many YouTube videos. What's that noise? It sounds like a Garrett. Sure enough, somebody else that I never met was hunting in the same spot with the Garrett AT Pro. Really cool guy. Hope that he sees one of my videos and hunts with him again. It was really nice. Hopefully we get something good next time. Thanks for watching the short vids, guys. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there.